Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your password on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you would like, of course. In the top right corner, we have the sell now, the messages, we have the likes, and here, of course, we have your profile, selling hub, purchases, settings, etc. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your password on Depop. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So first of all, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon here. Then here you'll have these 6 options: your profile, your selling hub, purchases, settings, resolution center, and log out. What you need to click on is of course the settings, which is the 4th option. After clicking there, you'll have all of your info here. As you can see, here you have your user details. You have your username, email, and password. Need to change something? You can update your details in the app. So basically, you just need to go and download the app. When you download the app, you can then there go and change your password, email, or whatever you want to go and change. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.